Hey everyone, sorry it's been a while since I've made a video. I really don't know why. I had some health issues that I was dealing with, arthritis, kids, life, you know how it goes. Anyway, this is going to be kind of a short video. I just wanted to show you something I do for my family. I go to Sam's and I buy this pork tenderloin. This is about 6.5 pounds. It only cost me $12.20. So what I do is I leave it in the bag or the package that it's in, and I can cut roast, and what I'll probably do is cut a couple roast and cut some pork chops out of it. My husband likes the boneless, skinless pork chops, and the back side I'll have this piece of fat and just trim that off. I usually, for the pork chops, will trim it off. Most of it, not all of it, because you do need a little bit of fat to give it some flavor. And what I use is, I don't know where mine, see, oh, here it is. I bought the little jar of it. To season it, the Tony's, or I'm sorry, Lowry's seasoning salt. That's what I season the pork chops and the roast. If I do the roast, I'll put a little bit of this on it, and a can of cream of mushroom soup with some water. Put it in the crock pot. Depending how fast your crock pot cooks, how fast you want it to cook. For a roast, I'm going to say about this big. I would put it in low to cook all day. If you want it done in a few hours, put it on high and make some mashed potatoes or some kind of vegetable to go with it. We like lima beans, the green limas. They're really good. Kids love those. Some potatoes. You can do the roasted potatoes. Put potatoes and carrots in there. Just gives you some ideas. The pork chops are great on the grill. I have done stuffed pork chops, but I don't like to because it's messy. And then you have to cut them pretty thick, and I cut the center out or cut a slit in there to stuff them in there. So this just gives you a few ideas of how to do some pork for your family. Like I said, I'll cut 2 roast out of this and then make some pork chops. And if you look here, I'll probably start this in with the pork chops, just because it has less fat and not less to cut off. And then when you cook this for a roast, I would put the fat side down, and then once you are ready to eat, I've got these big claws, they're meat claws. Pick it up, and then this fat will just peel right off. But you want that fat for the flavor. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Just comment below. Thanks for watching.